Hello, my name is Harshita Kukreja from CSIT and today's topic is interacting with Windows services in C hash. So let us understand what is Windows service. So Windows service is a small computer program that run in background when a software is launched or run when user logged on. It ran automatically, do not require any human intervention, no user interface, and is also started when machine is booted. As we can see so many differences between Windows services and regular application, as regular application require launch mechanism, means we have to start and stop by a user event the application, but Windows services do not require such function. It automatically started and stopped when an application started and stopped. Other than this, the other one is user interface. User interface means regular application required user interface where user can perform his or her task, while Windows services do not require such an interface. It started automatically and in the background of the PC. We can see so many examples of Windows services like Active Directory service, Free Patch and Superfetch service, Background Intelligence Transfer service, and many more. So let us create one Windows service in C hash by your name. Let us create. So here is the Word file where there is every type of steps that how to create a Windows service and how to view it in your PC. So the first process is to go to your search bar and type Task Manager, where you can go to your services icon and you can see so many services that are running and stop at that particular time when I have taken the screenshot. See how many services are start and stop. Later, the main question arises that how to create the Windows service in C hash. So the my very first step is to go to your Visual Studio 2022 and click on File and New and their project. After this, you have to go to your Windows Service .NET framework. After clicking this and renaming your whatever service name you allot to your service, Windows service, and click on OK button. After this, you can view a window where a blank you can see a blank screen. Here you can right click on the blank area and click on Add Installer. After this, you can see a project installer.cs is automatically inserted in your interface. After this, you again right click on any blank area and click view code. Okay. Okay. The next procedure you have seen a sort of program on your screen. Here you have to select only a word. What the word is? Initialize component. After selecting this word, you right click on the mouse and go to implementation. You have to click on go to implementation option. After this, you can see more program on your screen. Then don't go afraid to see it. What you have to do, you have to select the two-line command and just paste here. Just paste before uh, this line. This dot service installer one dot service name equals to service. And the second command what you have to insert is this. This is the second command you have to insert in your program. Okay. Now here what you have to do, you can change your service name. As here you can see the service name is my first service.demo. Then you can create your name service.demo also. Understood? Okay. The next process, what you have to do, you just see on your window the service1.cs here and the service1.cs here. You can just click on this right and again you can see you can view a simply blank screen. You again go right click there, view code there, and you again see a sort of program. Then just delete whole program and paste this program from user system to the end of the program. Okay, just paste it there. And what you have to do there again, you have to change. If you have changed your service name there before, then you again have to change the service name here also, otherwise it will give you an error. Okay. Okay. Next, what you have to do, you can see your source solution explorer on your right side of your screen. There you can see your service name. On then you what you have to do, you have to just right click on your service name. Then you can see a rebuild option there. Then click on it. Then this will that this will build your program on the desktop, means in the background of your PC. Okay. Then the next process and the most important process, that how to see your service. You have created your service after doing all such processes. Then how to see it, how to start it, how to stop it, and how to view it in short. So what you have to do, you have to just open command prompt, go on run as administrator. Again, you have to open command prompt by run as administrator, and there what you have to do, you have to just copy this command, this small command cd, and the address of your Visual Studio. The cd means change directory. It is a Linux command, so just you have to change the directory. After the changing directory, you have to just paste this whole command, you know. The next procedure is to again go to your window or Visual Studio, and there right click on your service, and then again you can see the open folder in File Explorer. After clicking this option, you can see an address. Just copy this address up to the debug. Don't miss this. Up to debug, just paste, copy your address where you have saved your service. And after this, again you go to your command prompt screen. Then there write install util.exe with space, and paste the whole address which you have copied before. And then after this, write your service name.exe. Understood? After entering after entering this, you should given a sort of code, and the last line of the code says that the transacted install has completed, means your service is finally installed in your PC. Now how to see it, how to view it finally. So what you have to do, you have to just press window key plus R in your keyboard. Okay. Now after this, you have to write services.msc in this. Then click on OK button. Then here you have to you have to do whatever is your whatever the name you have given to your service. Just search for it, and you can see how this service is the service is here. My first service.demo. Similarly, your service is also visible to you, and here you can see that the arrows he is here, which says the start the service, means right now there is not such a command, there is not such command behind the service, so it is manual and not running yet. But if you want to run it in your PC, just click on start button, then it will start, and see the running option is here in this column for your service. But you have to but you should kept it stop, because it will make heavy to your PC. Okay. So this is the end result of your PC. Now let us check I have also created one, so let us check it, that how I had created my own name service file. It will take a quite while seconds to open. Hmm. So this is the end result of the creating Windows services. So my name is Harshita Kukreja, as I already told that this is my Harshita Cook Windows service file, that you can see the interface. Here I have to start my Windows service file. Then see how it is starting. See now what refreshed it. Now my service is presently running, and it is manual. Means this is user defined, so it is manual. It is not automatic. So I have to stop it. Then it is stopping. So yeah, this is the end of our topic. So thank you for viewing it. Thank you so much.